know something funny? Many people want to learn big English words, but in real life, people use small, easy words every day.
Yes, that is true. At home, at work, in the street, in the shop, we use simple words again and again.
So today, we will learn easy English words for daily life. Words you can hear, words you can say, and words you can use every day.
And we will make it fun, easy, and a little funny too.
So stay with us till the end because this lesson can help your English sound more real, one easy word at a time.
Hello everyone. Welcome to Smart English Official.
I'm Lima,
And I'm James.
and today we're talking about English words we use every day in life.
This is a very good topic for beginners and for early English learners too.
Yes, because you do not need hard English first. You need easy English first.
If you know easy words well, you can speak more, understand more, and feel more happy when you use English.
So please listen, relax, and if you want, say the words with us.
Ready?
Let's start.
Every day starts in the morning, even when we want to sleep more.
Yes, and the first easy words come in the morning.
First word, wake up. Example, I wake up at 7.
Or, I want to wake up early, but my bed says no.
Very true. Next word, bed. My bed is warm. I love my bed.
Yes, very easy, very real.
Next word, wash. I wash my face. I wash my hands.
Good. Next word, brush. I brush my teeth.
Please brush your teeth for good English and for good smell, too.
James, that is not English class, that is life class.
Both are important.
Next word, water. I drink water in the morning.
Next word, eat. I eat breakfast at 8.
And the next word is breakfast. My breakfast is eggs and bread.
Or, my breakfast is tea and one sad biscuit.
Oh no, poor breakfast.
Next word, late. I am late for work. Sorry, I am late.
That is a very useful sentence. Now let's talk about home. Home is where we eat, sleep, rest, and look for our phone for 10 minutes.
Yes, the phone is always lost, but mostly it is in our hand.
So true.
First word, home. I am at home.
Next word, door. Open the door.
Next, room. My room is small.
Next, chair. Please sit on the chair.
Next, table. The phone is on the table.
Ah, so that is where it is.
Yes, big news today.
Next word, kitchen. My mother is in the kitchen.
Or, I am in the kitchen because I am hungry again.
Again?
Yes, again.
Next word, food. Now let's talk about home. Home is where we eat, sleep, rest, and look for our phone for 10 minutes.
Yes, the phone is always lost, but mostly it is in our hand.
So true.
First word, home. I am at home.
Next word, door. Open the door.
Next, room. My room is small.
Next, chair. Please sit on the chair.
Next, table. The phone is on the table.
Ah, so that is where it is.
Yes, big news today.
Next word, kitchen. My mother is in the kitchen.
Or, I am in the kitchen because I am hungry again.
Again?
Yes, again.
Next word, food. The food is hot. This food is good.
Next words, tea and coffee. Do you want tea or coffee?
A very big life question.
Next word, clean. I clean my room on Sunday.
James, do you clean your room on Sunday?
Sometimes.
I do not believe you.
Okay, next word is mess. My room is a mess.
Now I believe you.
Now let's learn words for people.
These words are very common. We use them every day.
First word, friend. He is my friend.
Next word, family. I love my family.
Then we have mother, father, brother, and sister.
These words are easy and very important.
Yes. Now let's learn easy talking words.
First, hello. Hello, how are you?
Next, bye. Bye. See you later.
Next, please. Please help me.
Next, thank you. Thank you for your help.
Next, sorry. Sorry, I am late.
Next, yes and no.
Very short words, but very strong words.
Yes.
No.
Good example.
Next word, help. Can you help me?
Next, wait. Wait for me.
Next, come. Come here.
Next, go. Go home.
Next, tell. Tell me your name.
And next, ask. Can I ask a question?
Now let's go outside. Do you have your shoes?
Yes.
Your phone?
Yes.
Your keys?
No. Very normal daily life. First word, street. The street is busy.
Next, car. That car is new.
Next, bus. I take the bus to school.
Next, shop. I go to the shop.
Next, money. I need money to buy this.
Sad, but true.
Next, buy. I want to buy a bag.
Next, pay. I pay for my food.
Next, work. I go to work at 9.
Next, school. My son goes to school.
Next, walk. I walk to the market.
Next, meet. I meet my friend after work.
Now let's talk about time words.
Yes, because every day we look at the clock and sometimes we get scared.
First word, today. Today is a good day.
Next, tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow.
Next, yesterday. Yesterday was busy.
Next, now. I am busy now.
Next, later. Talk to you later.
Then, morning, afternoon, evening, and night.
Good morning. Good night.
Very easy and very useful.
Next words, before and after. I eat before work. I sleep after dinner.
Now let's learn feeling words.
We use these words every day because people always talk about how they feel.
First word, happy. I feel happy today.
Next, sad. She feels sad.
Next, tired. I am tired.
I think many adults say this every day.
True.
Next, hungry. I am hungry.
Next, thirsty. I am thirsty. I need water.
Next, busy. Sorry, I am busy now.
Next, free. Are you free this evening?
Next, good and bad. Today is good. The weather is bad.
And next, fine. I am fine. Thank you. Now let's learn very small words.
These words are short, but we use them all the time.
First, and. Tea and coffee.
Next, but. I want to go, but I am tired.
Next, or. Do you want rice or bread?
Next, because. I stayed home because it was raining.
Next, so. I was hungry, so I ate.
Next, if. If you are free, call me.
Next, with. I am with my friend.
Next, for. This gift is for you.
Next, from. I am from UK.
Next, in, on, and under.
The keys are in the bag. The phone is on the table. The cat is under the chair.
Why is the cat always under the chair?
Because the cat is the boss.
Now let's put some easy words together.
Good idea. This can help learners speak more easily.
Listen to these easy daily sentences.
I wake up early.
I brush my teeth.
I drink water.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I meet my friend.
I buy food.
I come home.
I am tired.
I eat dinner.
I watch videos on my phone.
For 10 minutes?
No, maybe 1 hour.
Honest English is very good English.
Then I go to bed.
These are easy words, but they are real words for real life.
James, let's do a small game.
Okay, I'm ready.
I say one word, and you make one easy sentence.
Let's do it.
Hungry.
I am hungry. Where is the food?
Good. Late.
I am late. Please wait for me.
Nice. Friend.
My friend is funny.
Very good. Water.
I need water now.
Good job.
My turn now.
Okay.
Bed.
My bed is my best friend.
Very true.
Thank you.
So today, we learned many easy English words for daily life.
Words for the morning, words for home, words for people, words for outside life, time words, feeling words, and small words we use all the time.
Remember, you do not need big, hard words first.
Start with easy words. Use them every day. Say them again and again.
Small steps are good. Daily practice is good. Easy English is good.
And little by little, your English will grow.
If you enjoyed this episode, please support Smart English Official.
Like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel for more easy English lessons.
And tell us in the comments, which easy English word do you use every day?
You can also write one easy sentence. We would love to read it.
Thank you so much for listening.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking English, one easy word at a time.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon on Smart English Official.